update. Today we are from Group 10 will be presenting our research assignment which entitled Environmental Issue as Trigger Factor of Sustainable Development in the Aviation Industry in the case of Qatar Airways.
According to Statista, the global commercial aviation industry accounted for 920 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions in 2019. Meanwhile, Environmental Energy Study Institute stated that by 2050, commercial aircraft emissions could triple given the projected growth of passenger. Acknowledging that responding to climate change is one of aviation's greatest challenges and knowing that international aviation produces approximately 2% of global man-made carbon emissions, Qatar Airways projected a program which brings together key business functions to calibrate on aviation fuel savings measured, focusing on 4 areas including weight reduction, route optimizations, aircraft operations, and aircraft performance. However, the estimated aviation CO2 savings only covered about 1.33% from the total CO2 emissions for the years 2017 to 2018. From all the points showed above, it can be said that environmental issues caused by air transport are indeed become one of the biggest factors triggering aviation industry to implement sustainable development in their business activities. However, the purpose of sustainable development from the airline companies are more likely focusing on to meet the requirements stated by ICAO than the concern to environment itself. The most immediate impact of aircraft is noise. The noise from airborne aircraft is related to airspeed, and its fast-moving components such as propellers and compressor blades generate noise just like the exhaust cases of jets. Aircraft are also responsible for an increasing proportion of air pollutant emissions, both at ICAO adopted aircraft noise and engine emission certification standard to limit emissions that may impact local communities in the vicinity of airports. In the case of Qatar Airways, the airline certified by Chapter 4 the most stringent noise standard for civil aircraft set by ICAO for aircraft built before 31st December 2017. As of 31st March 2018, 38% of Qatar Airways fleet was certified to CAEP-8, the most stringent standard for aircraft engine emissions set by ICAO. The company also strategically positioned noise and air quality monitoring stations which have been operating at Hamad International Airport since September 2017, and the use of electric vehicles like tractors and trucks as an alternative to reduce air pollution caused by petrol or diesel. As many climate activists react to the environmental issue caused by aviation industry, airline providers have to strive harder in their implementations for sustainable development to maintain the brand image.
Independent variable trade. In 2018, airline generated around 6.7 million tons of cabin waste according to IATA. Between 20 to 30% of the total waste is untouched food and drink. The remnant of a plane load of people anaptizing on board may pretty much always go the same way as everything else into the trash can, destined for landfill incineration and limited the ability to reuse and recycle. Through a centralized waste management facility at Hamad International Airport, Qatar Airways Group is able to monitor the quantity and type of waste generated from different airport activities and how each type of waste is managed. Since its opening in 2014, Hamad International Airport has seen an annual increase in total generation of non-hazardous waste. However, during 2017-18, the non-hazardous waste generated at Hamad International Airport reduced by 2.8% compared to the previous year. The recycling rate for non-hazardous waste at Hamad International Airport has continued to improve over the last 3 years to an average of 42% during 2017-18 compared to 33% during 2016-17. During 2016-18, Hamad International Airport introduced truck-mountable plastic waste cage of strategic location across the airport campus. The cage improved containment and efficient collection of low-density polyethylene plastic, increased recycling rate, and reducing the risk of blown waste on the airport and the nearby coast. In 2017-18, a total of 262 tons of used batteries and recycled during the period and to reduce waste from cargo operation. Qatar Aviation Service returning load spreader wooden pallet used for loading cargo to outstation for reuse. An average of approximately 1,750 load spreader are returned every month.